Welcome to today's video. We will embark on a journey to create not just one, but two cars deeply inspired by Batman. Get ready to witness the perfect combination of creative engineering and top-notch design in crafting the legendary vehicles of the Dark Knight. To embark on the journey of crafting these two legendary vehicles, first, the artisan poured all his dedication into designing them on a computer. This wasn't just a simple sketch. It involved meticulous calculations, with every detail carefully crafted to ensure both cars would have a robust, powerful, and perfectly operational appearance, akin to Batman's combat vehicles. From sharp angles to a robust frame system, every aspect had to be meticulously planned, as even a small flaw in the design could jeopardize the entire project. Once the design was complete, he immediately moved on to bringing his vision to life by starting to weld the vehicle frames. With skilled hands, he used a welding machine to join large steel bars into the basic frame structure. This was a critical and challenging step because the frame and wheel axles are core components that determine the vehicle's future performance. The steel bars were cut and welded with precision to create a sturdy frame structure capable of supporting the weight of subsequent components. The frame not only had to be strong, but also aesthetically pleasing, evoking the image of a combat machine from Gotham. As the frame gradually took shape, he proceeded to use large steel sheets to form the vehicle bodies. This step defined the appearance of the vehicles, giving them a rugged and powerful look. The thick steel sheets were carefully measured, cut into perfect pieces, and then welded together. Through each step, the frame slowly transformed into its complete shape, resembling a wild beast gradually awakening. After completing the welding of the main components, he moved on to another equally important task, smoothing out the welds. He used a grinding machine to refine the seams, making them smooth and sharp. This was not just technical work, but also required finesse and aesthetic sense. The smooth edges ensured that the vehicle looked sleek and refined, while also ensuring that no detail would compromise safety when the vehicles rolled on the road. This process was akin to polishing a rough diamond, turning it into a true piece of art. After completing the sturdy steel frame, he moved on to shaping the vehicle's body. To do this, he chose fiberglass, a material that is both light and durable, allowing for sleek yet powerful lines for the vehicle. This stage required great skill and precision, as each layer of fiberglass needed to be applied meticulously to ensure both a solid structure and a smooth, glossy exterior. He carefully measured, cut, and shaped each piece of fiberglass, turning the concepts from the design into reality. As the body was completed, the vehicle gradually revealed its form, like a menacing black beast full of power. But this vehicle wasn't just an ordinary means of transport. It was also armed, much like the Batmobiles seen in the movies. To give it a truly battle-ready look, he began crafting the guns for the front of the vehicle. Every small detail of the guns was carefully designed, from the barrels to the decorative elements, all giving off an imposing and dangerous aura. Finally, to complete the vehicle's appearance, he painted the entire body with two main colors, black and silver. A glossy black coat covered the surface, giving the vehicle a mysterious and rugged look, as if it had just emerged from the shadows of Gotham. Silver accents were skillfully added in certain areas, creating perfect contrast and highlighting the vehicle's refined lines. When the painting was done, the vehicle not only resembled a combat machine, but also exuded an air of luxury, class, and an irresistible allure. Now fully complete, the vehicle looked like a fierce beast ready to charge into battle, embodying the strength and majesty of the Dark Knight. Now, we move on to the second vehicle, a unique creation crafted by the skillful hands of a Japanese artisan. This is no ordinary vehicle, but a special motorcycle with a completely different design and structure. Let's embark on a journey to explore each artistic and technical stage of the motorcycle's construction. Just like the first vehicle, the first crucial step is building the frame. However, unlike the sturdy steel frame of the Batmobile, this motorcycle frame is designed to be lighter, but no less powerful. Each metal bar is precisely bent and welded together, creating a flexible yet strong frame. The artisan carefully assembles the framework to perfectly fit with the other parts, ensuring balance and durability for the entire motorcycle. The frame is not just the basic foundation, but the backbone that determines the entire shape and functionality of the vehicle. After the frame is completed, the Japanese artisan continues with the braking system. This step is very important, as a unique motorcycle cannot be without a precise and safe braking system. He selects the best components and meticulously installs them into the vehicle, ensuring that it will be able to stop smoothly and safely in any situation. The braking system is not only a technical element, but also contributes to the rider's peace of mind when controlling the motorcycle. Next, the artisan sets to work on crafting the handlebars, the main control component of the motorcycle. Every detail, from the frame of the handlebars to the smallest parts, is assembled meticulously. The handlebars must be both sturdy and flexible, allowing the rider to easily control the motorcycle in all conditions. Furthermore, he focuses on designing the handlebars to be comfortable and easy to use, helping the rider steer the motorcycle with the highest accuracy. Continuing with innovative ideas, the artisan began working on an automatic kickstand system for the motorcycle. Instead of manually using a foot to lower the kickstand, as on regular motorcycles, this system allows the bike to automatically extend the kickstand when stopping and retract it when the bike starts moving. This is a very convenient feature, saving time and adding a touch of modernity and sophistication to the motorcycle. After completing the kickstand system, he moved on to the process of creating the bike's body. Here, he continued using steel plates, similar to the way he built the first vehicle, welding them together to form a strong protective shell for the motorcycle. However, this body not only serves as protection, but also plays an important aesthetic role, highlighting the bike's unique design and style. He meticulously welded each piece of steel with high precision, ensuring that all details were perfectly aligned. Once the body was finished, he dismantled the entire frame once again to prepare it for the painting process. The frame was fairly clean before he applied a new coat of paint, not only to protect it from rust, but also to give it a sleek and modern appearance. This coat of paint enhanced the overall look, making the bike more attractive and leaving a strong impression. Next, he installed a modern control screen for the bike, giving it a high-tech feature that allows the rider to easily monitor information and control various functions of the motorcycle. This screen is not only a technical element, but also contributes to the convenience and modernity of this unique bike. Finally, to ensure rider comfort, he fitted premium leather seats, designed to be snug and soft, providing a cushioned feeling when seated. The leather seats not only offer practicality, but also elevate the luxury and class of the motorcycle. And so, after all these meticulous steps, the unique motorcycle is complete. Join us to see how it performs and experience the power and refinement of this masterpiece. The journey of crafting these unique vehicles is now complete. From the design to the final details, both showcase incredible creativity and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next videos. See you soon.